welcome back to my channel. Now we will make our own layer. Layer. Press enter. We can make our own layer here, or we go to this ribbon, layer properties, click here, same process. We'll make our own layer here. Click this button, new layer. Let's say text. We can change this color. Let's say green. And another one, we can create how many as you wish, as you want. 100 layer, 50 layer, 7 layer, 5 layer. Door. Change the color. Red. Something like that. Another one. Window. Change the color. Cayenne number 4. Okay. This is our default layer, 0. We can choose here what layer you want. If you want the door layer, click the door layer and type L, enter for the line. This is our layer door. And another, if you want to change the layer, click the text. We will make a text MT, multi-text layer. Automatically this default layer, and here for the reference you can see it, layer text content RRRR as you type it, style standard. You can change this text here, and justify top left. Text height you can change, let's say 200. It will automatically increase the text of height. Change another one, door, window. As you see, window layer, it will be default layer, L for line. And if you want another layer, you can also come back here. You will make another layer, let's say wall. Change the color 8. Grade line. Change color number 9. As you wish, you can make a lot of layer here. You can control it. Okay guys, thank you for watching.